All right, welcome to Dairy Farm Pest Control number 23. And once again, before we get started, I'll go over what I use for my setup. So I have the FX Dreamline in 177 mounted with the PARD night sight. It's shooting JSB 8.4 grains at 750 feet per second basically. I have my regulator set up to be just a little bit over 100 bar. So it's like just under 110, and that usually gets me almost 300 shots. And then this came topped with a Donnie FL, just says FX air guns, so I'm not really sure which specific name that is, but that's the one that this one came with. So picking up where we left off with the last one, so just sitting outside the barn and picking these guys off as they come in, or as they just move around from spot to spot. There's a double. And I'm pretty sure this one's a double as well. That's a clean miss right between them. I can't believe I did that, but these things happen. That one's sitting so pretty. So take my time on this one because I was getting a little bit too quick on those other ones. Take him out. And this one, you just barely see it. That was a sparrow. That's a double headshot. That's pretty good. Another headshot. And again, barely see him. And make this one another headshot. These guys are about like 30 yards away, thereabouts. And now I just start taking them off the high wire rack there. Yep, one at a time. It's amazing at how well that works when they're in that line. This is a pretty good shooting in between the fans, so I can just see them over there. And again, that's like 30 yards away. I'm shooting between the fan blades. As I get lower, I'm hoping I don't hit the fan. That's a nice hanger. Does a little curl, and then he lets go. This one I wasn't sure if I was going to get around that fan or not, but figured, hey, take the shot, and it worked. And again, you kind of pick your way. You can go right to left or left to right. And as long as they're sitting, you just keep shooting. That one looked like he was ready to go, but he stayed around a little bit too long. These guys are like, what happened? What happened? You know, stick around. Thank you. Sometimes you don't know which one to take first, because it might make the others fly. So I'm not sure if I got anything on that one. I think I did, but who knows. And that looked like a clear miss. Don't ask me how that happens. I had a hanging rope to the right, so I went to the left instead. Nice hanger. Get that one. And some of you from my previous videos, you'll recognize that shot right there. And pushes himself out. Pretty sure that was on the hangers. Nothing but hangers video. So many targets. These birds are constantly pecking at each other. Look at the one at the bottom. What they do is just peck, peck, peck. So I go, okay, I'll take care of that problem for you. He goes, oh, thanks. And I'll take care of you too. And, oh, ninja bird. Couldn't believe it. How did he get out? That was a pretty cool hop. Whee! Look at that. Peck, peck, peck. Oh, here's another one from the hangers and sliders. Here they go. This guy's a slider. And excuse me. Off I go. And I'm going to peck you. Yes, I want to be by you, but I can't stand you, so I'm going to peck you. They're all flying away because one of the birds screamed after I shot it, which I hate when that happens, because they all just mass exodus when they give their little cry of, you know, I'm dying, I'm dying. It's amazing at how fast those birds just split. So you go from having a barn with 2,000 to just a barn with 1,000. So every time when I'm shooting, I try to make sure that I'm not winging it in any way, because the last thing I want is for one of them to fall and start screaming its head off. And I can't find it with all the cows, but it's scaring all the other ones away. So, all right, that's it. So thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.